Good morning, Simon here from Perfect Pools. Another update on another project we're doing. This is a complex pool here in Blouberg Sands area. Customer wants us to replace not just the fiberglass, but if you can see here, we've also picked up the old coping, try and renew it a bit, make sure that it's looking nice. It was just old paving, and I think they had a salt chlorinator here, which the salt has started to affect the bricks and stuff. And obviously it's a communal pool, so more than one person is using it. And it was just time for an update. So let's go and have a look inside the pool and see what we're doing. Just hold back, I'll be with you in a few minutes. Okay, as you can see, we are inside the swimming pool. We do have a bit of a water problem here, water coming from underneath the ground, so the water table is higher. So we've made small holes at the bottom to release the pressure, so the water can just come through freely. In the meantime, we're prepping the pool, sanding it down, getting back to the old fiberglass. You can see here's places where there's a bit of fiberglass coming through. We will close that up with a fiber putty. One of the team members here is just making sure that the handle section here is properly sanded down so that we can tuck the fiberglass in below. Copings is nice and neat. We also had to use a bit of a straight plank for structure, because this side here, okay, you can't see it anymore now, but this side was bulging a bit, giving a bit of a problem, so we had to do the backfilling and all those things to get it right. So this is it for now. We should get quite far today with the fiberglass lining. Tomorrow we'll do the mosaics, finish it off, do the top coat, and then hopefully by Thursday start filling it. Friday I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. For now, I'll see you later. Welcome back. Next day, we finished with the pool. We've done some new copings as well, like I said yesterday in the previous video. Relined it. We've also done a vinyl ester here just to because the pool gets quite hot. They've got a heating system as well connected to it. So that's the pool for now. I don't know if you can see it quite nicely, but I hope you can see what we've done there. I will get the pool filled, and when I see you again, it will be full of water, sparkling blue, and I hope you enjoy it. If you need anything, remember to get hold of us on perfectpools.co.za, but I'll put all the link and everything at the end of the video. Thank you so much. Hi there, back again. It's about a week later, and we finished with the pool. I hope you can see it. I'm trying to do my best to keep it in frame. So yeah, we've drained the pool, was sanded it down completely to the bare fiberglass, as you could remember in the previous videos. On that side there was a big bulge there, so we had to put some reinforcement in and put it back again. We did some backfilling, and then relined the pool with the fiberglass, and then obviously brand new mosaics as well. We also put some new copings around the edges to just make it look new again. This in fact is a commercial pool, so there's some more than one or two or three families staying in the complex, so there's a lot of usage here. So remember, if you really want your pool to look brand spanking new again, don't hesitate, give us a call. You can click the link or just leave a comment, and one of us will get back to you as soon as possible. From my side, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.